Let me start with something that is going to offend a lot of people, especially forex traders. If strategies made people profitable, most traders would already be rich because strategies are everywhere. YouTube courses, Telegram groups, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, PDFs. So if information was the problem, why are so many people still losing? In episode 1, I said emotion turns trading into gambling. In episode 2, we exposed the habit that creates addiction, interfering with trades when discomfort shows up. This episode explains why that habit kills every strategy you touch. A strategy is just a set of rules, and rules only work for people who follow them. A gambler doesn't break rules because the strategy is bad. They break rules because they can't sit with uncertainty. Let me talk to you directly for a second. You didn't abandon your last strategy because it stopped working. You abandoned it because you didn't like drawdown. You lost confidence after one loss. You wanted faster results. That wasn't logic. That was discomfort. A gambler with a perfect strategy still loses. A trader with a basic edge survives the market. This is the part most people don't want to accept. Here is what gamblers do with strategies. They over-optimize after losses, add filters when scared, remove rules when impatient, rewrite the plan mid-trade. They don't execute the system, they negotiate with it. And if this is making you defensive, don't click away yet, because the next point explains why smart people struggle more than beginners. Intelligent traders are dangerous to themselves because intelligence creates justification. You can explain why you broke the rule. You can rationalize why this trade is different. Beginners don't do that. They follow rules or they quit. Strategies don't fail people. People abandon strategies the moment discomfort shows up, and gamblers confuse adjustment with improvement. This is exactly what we talked about in episode 2. Interfering with trades trains your brain to escape discomfort. So when a strategy demands patience, you sabotage it. And once you see this strategy hopping stops making sense, you stop asking, what strategy should I use? And start asking, can I execute one strategy without interference? Emotion plus uncertainty equals gambling. And strategies are where gamblers think the problem lives. And here is the part nobody wants to talk about. There is one thing that exposes gamblers instantly: not intelligence, not confidence, not risks, not strategy rather, but risk. In episode 4, I will show you why risk management is a real line between traders and gamblers and why it never lies. If this hits close to you or close home, like the video and ask yourself one honest question: can I follow one strategy without interference? Subscribe if you want to the truth, not hype, because this is not motivation. This is the crown traders, and strategies don't save gamblers. Discipline does. Blessings.